Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you on an exclusive tour around the beautiful and prestigious WTC Estate in Enugu. Now, I started making this journey around Mponkiti, and as we get closer and explore this estate, you will get to see how amazing and impressive this estate is. Now, WTC Estate shares boundaries with UNEG, and this estate is a high-end community that is calm, organized, and designed to perfection. Now, before we dive into today's tour, I want to quickly share some exciting opportunities for affordable estate lands here in Enugu State for you. We have prime plots available for sale in both Owo and Ugogonike. Now, each property is well registered with the Ministry of Lands and designed to deliver high returns on investment within a short period of time. In Ugogonike, we are offering plots in prestigious Elite Court Estate, which is located off the Enugu-Nsukka Express Road. And right now, this road has been commissioned by the Enugu State government. Now, there are few plots left in Elite Court Estate, and Elite Court Estate is close to Ugogonike International Market. It is also close to Madaka University, making it a fantastic investment choice for you. Elite Court Estate is already fenced and gated with beacons on site, a clear indication of its secure and registered status in the Enugu State Ministry of Lands. Right now, it is currently selling for 5 million naira, inclusive of all your documentation fees. You also get instant allocation on your plot, and you can start fencing your plot immediately without any issues. Now, with a fast rate of development and a history of 100% return on investment within 1.5 years, this estate has a very high potential value and opportunity for you. So if you're interested in any of these properties I just mentioned, please send me a message on WhatsApp. I will share all the information you need along with the videos of this estate, and we can also arrange a free inspection just for you. So make sure you don't miss out on this chance to make a smart investment in Enugu's booming real estate market today. Alright, so let's continue with our tour. Now, this is the first of two gated entrances offering top-notch security. WTC Estate is known for its 24/7 security and electricity, making it one of Enugu's safest and most sought-after estates. As we move further inside, you get to see the well-maintained roads, the drainage systems, and an impressive display of beautiful houses, each of them more beautiful and impressive than the last ones. This estate is one of the fastest developing estates in Enugu today, with many people building homes to live, sell, or rent out in the future. So if you're interested in investing here, there are options for you. We have 4 to 5 bedroom duplexes in this estate, which is selling from 150 million naira to 250 million naira. Now, this depends on the structure and the location of this property you are about to buy. Now, we also have land plots, which is between 600 to 1,000 square meters, and they are available for 75 to 150 million naira. Now, these plots are very limited. There are few available inside this estate. The rental value here is very excellent. It's amazing. A terrace duplex can fetch you 3 to 5 million naira annually, depending on the property and what you want to go for. WTC Estate allows a variety of home styles. You can only build a block of flats, duplexes, terrace duplex, and semi-detached duplex. So as you can see, this estate is amazing, it's beautiful, and I love the structures that is inside this estate. I mean, it is a calm and serene environment. This estate is accessible from all parts of Enugu State, and it offers a wonderful community vibe with a neighborhood of prominent and like-minded residents. I mean, there are only popular people that live here, the wealthy, and so much more. Now, this estate is right next to top-notch amenities like schools, health centers, shopping malls, and so much more. Everything you need is just a stone throw away. WTC was a vision by the Enugu State Housing Corporation. Now, if you missed out on investing in WTC Estate, Diamond Estate, Golf Estate when the prices were still low, I have an exciting news for you. We have Blossom Garden Estate, another project by the Enugu State Housing Corporation, which is now available at a promo price, Ember promo price of just 10 million naira, inclusive of all your documents. Now, the current prices of land in Blossom Garden Estate is 15 million naira, and it will be rising to 20 50 million naira by December. So this is the perfect time for you to invest right now in Blossom Garden Estate. I have 5 exclusive plots available at this special price. After these 5 plots, they will revert back to its current price. So now is the perfect time to take advantage of this opportunity I'm bringing your way. Blossom Garden Estate is going to be Enugu's first solar-powered estate, which is located in Transekulu Annex, with 2 access roads from Enugu-Onitsha Expressway and Transekulu itself. So it is very close to town and close to key landmarks as well. This estate promises even much more and better features like plazas, a shopping mall, church, football field, and so much more. Alright, now construction on access road is already underway, and as we have seen in WTC Estate, development is happening so fast, and I guarantee you next year the price will reach 30 million naira. Is to show you how amazing Blossom Garden Estate is going to be. It's going to be bigger and better. Now this is a very rare opportunity for smart investors with long-term vision. As we walk around WTC Estate, you can see its transformation. Now just imagine what Blossom Garden will look like in the next 3 to 5 years. This is the best time for you to invest and make massive profits in the future. With Enugu's real estate market booming, now is the perfect time for you to secure your future. And if you purchase through me, you get the opportunity to see your plots, pick them yourself, and watch your investments grow. Now it takes nothing less than 1 month for your allocation paper to be out. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to invest with us today. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of WTC Estate. If you are ready to invest, whether it's in WTC Estate or the fast rising Blossom Garden Estate, call or WhatsApp me right now at the number that is displayed on the screen. I am here to help you secure your future in Enugu's top estate that will guarantee you 100% investment within a short period of time. So make sure you don't sleep on this. Thanks for watching and happy investing.